Module Overview. At the heart of every unforgettable vocal performance lies the ability to evoke emotion, to stir the soul, and to move an audience, and this goes far beyond vocal technique. In this module, we explore how vibrato, emotional expression, stylistic nuance, and interpretive artistry combine to elevate technical singing into genuine musical communication. Singers often get caught up in pitch perfection or breath control, but overlook the deeper layers of emotional storytelling and tonal color, which distinguish a technically accurate performance from a truly captivating one. This module will guide you into the world of expressive singing, introducing both vocal aesthetics and psychological preparation for authentic interpretation. We will study vibrato mechanics, vocal ornamentation, slides, scoops, bends, dynamics, phrasing, and emotional connection. You'll also learn how to analyze lyrics, embody the message of a song, and use your unique vocal fingerprint to connect with your audience. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand the physical and acoustic characteristics of vibrato, distinguish natural from forced vibrato, use dynamics, phrasing, and articulation to convey emotional nuance, apply vocal color and tone shaping for expressive depth, analyze and interpret lyrics for emotional delivery, incorporate stylistic tools like scoops, slides, and glottal stops. Perform songs with artistic interpretation and authenticity. Build emotional confidence and stage presence. 1. What is vibrato and why does it matter? Vibrato is the oscillation of pitch at a steady rate and amplitude, typically 5 to 7 pulses per second. It is not a vocal effect, but a natural result of vocal relaxation and resonance. Characteristics of healthy vibrato. Slight, even pitch variation. Controlled speed, not too fast or slow. Smooth oscillation. Begins naturally after steady tone onset. Indicates relaxed support and balance between breath and phonation. Functions of vibrato. Adds warmth and color to sustained notes. Aids in intonation accuracy. Connects phrases musically. Provides stylistic beauty and depth. 2. Natural versus forced. Vibrato type features. Causes natural, gentle, steady oscillation, balanced breath and vocal fold function. Wobble too slow or wide vibrato, lack of support or fatigue. Tremolo. Rapid, shallow variation, tension, overactive diaphragm. Straight tone. No vibrato at all. Useful stylistically but can tire voice. Forced vibrato manipulated by jaw or throat. Poor technique, artificial muscle use. To develop natural vibrato, a singer must relax, support the diaphragm, and eliminate constriction. 3. Training. Vibrato safely. Exercises. Sustain and release. Sustain a steady pitch on ah. Let vibrato emerge naturally after 2 to 3 seconds. Pulse drill. On a held note, gently pulse breath and let the tone wave. Gradually let it become automatic. Vowel slides. Slide between notes, e.g., G to A, and let vibrato occur at the top. Lip trill vibrato. Trill a pitch, then transfer that oscillation to vowel sounds. 4. Vocal expression, painting with tone. Expression isn't just about volume or diction, it's about telling a story through sound. Tools of expression, dynamics, loud, forte versus soft, piano for emotional contrast, tone color, timbre, bright for joy, dark for sadness, phrasing, musical punctuation, when and how you breathe, articulation, attack styles, legato, staccato, marcato. Textural contrast, using breathy tones versus clear tones intentionally. Example, singing, I miss you, with a hushed, breathy voice equals vulnerability. Singing it boldly equals anger or passion. 5. Emotional connection to lyrics. The voice is a vessel. If the singer doesn't believe the song, the audience won't either. Emotional connection requires intentional interpretation. Lyric analysis techniques. Who am I singing to? Real or imagined listener. What am I feeling at this moment? What's the backstory or narrative? Where does my voice need to reflect sorrow, joy, pain, nostalgia, etc.? Mark dynamics and phrasing on the lyrics accordingly. 6. Ornamentation and vocal styling. Ornamentation is how singers embellish and personalize melodies. Common expressive tools. Tool function. Genre usage. Slide smooth movement into a pitch soul, pop, jazz scoop. Gentle rise into pitch R&B. Gospel fall off, allowing note to drop gracefully. Jazz, soul glottal stop. Abrupt vocal start, e.g. uh-oh. Pop, rock crescendo. Gradual build of volume/emotion. Classical. Ballads decrescendo. Gentle reduction in intensity. All genres. Each stylistic choice must serve the emotion and narrative of the piece. 7. Putting it all together. Interpreting a song. Steps to expressive mastery. Read the lyrics aloud like a monologue. Circle emotional words and assign feelings to them. Mark breaths, swells, pauses, and drops. Assign vocal colors, e.g., whispery, powerful, nasal, to different sections. Sing it with intent, not just pitch accuracy, but feeling. 8. Performance psychology, emotional freedom on stage. Challenges to expression. Self-consciousness, fear of being vulnerable. Overthinking technique, mechanical delivery. Solutions. Practice facial expression in front of a mirror. Record and critique your emotional delivery. Sing while acting. Move. Embody the lyric physically. Use guided imagery to immerse yourself in the emotional world of the song. Always warm up expressively, not just technically. Summary checklist. I understand how vibrato is produced and controlled. I can identify and produce healthy vibrato. I can analyze lyrics for emotional interpretation. I can use tone color, dynamics, and phrasing for expression. I can add tasteful ornamentation to my performance. I can deliver songs with emotional authenticity. I feel confident performing expressively on stage or in recordings.